Let's continue AWS RDS team. In this, let's continue SQL Utility Commands. There are some important common commands team. One is use. Let's say use command can be used to switch from one database to another database. If you observe here, you can see raw_db is highlighted. It means currently this workspace default database is raw_db. I want to switch from raw_db to other database called Swiss. Then you can use use database name. It switch from one database to other database. Now you can see sys database is highlighted. Then when I type show tables, it will show tables presented in this database. So another utility command is show command. Show command we can use for listing default tables in database. Default are all tables. So you can use show command to display list of tables. Show command can be used to display databases, list of databases in MySQL. Let's say I want to know what are tables in raw_db. Then first switch to particular database. Then you can type show_tables. You can see in that raw_db, we have only one table. Another important utility command is describe command. Describe command can be used to display the schema of a table. Schema means column names with data types. So when you give a table name, it gives column names and data types, whether that column allows null values or not. If there is any key column, then it will display that key column name. So complete table properties it will display. So these are three important utility commands it is.